syempre Sandro, itong ang pag-usapan natin today sa InFocus talagang napapanahon dahil nga akma dahil nga kanina nasabi ko, February, of course, Hearts Month. Yes. Kaya naman this morning makakasama po natin ating very special guests. Syempre, ang dating host ng Kusina at Iba Pa sa Channel 4, si Chef Bambi Lichauco, kasama ang napakaganda niyang asawa, si Miss Trisha Lichauco. Good morning po.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Syempre, Sandro, umpisahan na nga natin dahil pag-usapan natin love month ngayon, di ba? Kwento niyo naman po kami, paano po nag-start yung love story po ninyo?
Nakilala ko si Trisha through my brother actually in school. And then, mula yun, na-attract ako sa kanya. So, hindi lang niya alam, pero sinusundan ko siya ng mata ko. At, then, doon nag-umpisa. Tapos, tinawagan ko one time, torpe pa naman ako, no? And that's how it all started.
Okay, ma'am, ano naman po yung nakita nyo kay Chef na talagang na-attract kayo? Was it his cooking? I mean, was it a key factor for you to...
When I met him, he wasn't into cooking yet.
Okay.
And when I met him, he was like siguro 30 pounds lighter.
Lighter?
So, I like to think he got interested in cooking because at that time, my mom was running a restaurant.
Okay.
So, parang siguro na interest siyang magluto. Nagluto-luto siya sa bahay. Minsan, tumutulong siya sa restaurant. From there, nag-aral siya ng cooking school. Dire-diretso na yun.
Okay. Talagang influence po pala ng family rin po ninyo yung nakapagdala sa kanya para
Talagang I really wanted her, so I had to do it. And I love eating na rin. So.
At syempre, Sandro, kamustahin na rin natin kung kamusta po kayo during and after po nung Kusina at Iba Pa na program?
Well, okay. During Kusina at Iba Pa, it was the time of my life. You know, I would always wanted to go around the Philippines. And then at the time, ginagawa ko for free. You know,
you get paid to do it pa actually.
Yes.
I get paid. And the nice thing is, Benji Poblete, Tito Benji was a producer at that time. He already foresee, nakita niya na in future because now what's happening in the cable now is always on location. And
yes.
during that time, no, all of the cooking shows were on studio
lang. Yeah.
And now it's like that's what's happening now, and that was more than 10 years ago.
Ano naman po, diba, since you both are food lovers, what's your favorite food? Like favorite cuisine probably, like since you love cooking, siguro iba po yung gusto nyong linuluto sa gusto nyong kinakain, or ano po yung masasabi?
Let her answer first.
Favorite food ko?
Apo.
I can eat pusit every day.
Talaga po?
Pusit.
Yes.
As in like, anong klaseng luto po
Kahit
ng pusit?
anong klaseng lutong pusit,
Basta
kakainin
pusit
ko.
Why pusit? Why, I mean, out of all the food na ano?
Gusto ko lang yung lasa.
Talaga po?
Pero pinakamasarap yung lutong bahay na adobong pusit. Yun.
Adobong pusit.
Every
Kaya naman
day.
po, sir.
Well, although I'm a chef, I could cook international European cuisine. I would rather, mas gusto ko yung home cooked food. You know, maling lang dyan o
Talaga po?
You know, adobo, comfort food.
Comfort,
you know,
yes.
And you know, anything with fat. Kung ano mas masarap na at mas masama, yun ang gusto ko.
Lahat naman dahil ganun yung gusto.
Yun nga, pag masarap nga bawal talaga eh.
Hindi lang fat. Lalagyan pa niya yan ng toyo or patis.
Wow,
May
grabe.
butter na siguro.
Or perins
Pero
or nor.
may pangontra naman ako doon na secret.
Ano naman?
Exercise.
No, a certain supplement that helps me maintain my weight because I used to be heavy before.
Sir, speaking of mga pagkain, nasabi rin po kanina, alam naman natin na chef instructor po kayo. Ano pa po ang pinagkakabalahan nyo besides pagiging chef instructor?
Well, I am full-time in the school, American Hospitality Academy, where I teach now. And I am allowed to do consultations. People come to me, opening restaurants, designing, menu engineering, concepts and all that. Except any other schools, you know. But
it's exclusive to that school,
yeah,
AHA.
Cannot teach in any other school, but anything about food outside of school, that's what I do as a sideline.
Ilang years na po kayo nagtuturo?
I started teaching in De La Salle College of St. Benilde 1997.
1997.
Up to, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 2006. And then I took a vacation for 3 years. Then 2011 or 2010, up to now, I'm now connected with the American Hospitality Academy. So, what, 13? 11, 12 years?
Quite long
Right.
din po. How about you po, Ma'am Trisha? Diba you mentioned kanina that you still cook and you have like a catering business. What are the other things na po na pinagkakaabalahan po ninyo?
Aside from the catering, no, ang full-time work ko talaga, I work for his mom, who's the barangay
okay.
captain of Bel Air. So,
Being with your own jobs po, how is it? How are you with your family naman po? You have children po?
I believe 2 girls po, di ba? 2
Apo.
girls. So, kamustahin naman natin kung kamusta po kayo sa bahay.
How's your
paano po
family
kayo?
life naman po?
I have to find time talaga para mag-aral yung girls, 'di ba? Swerte ko na lang yung office, ang boss doon, mother-in-law ko. So after school, dumidiretso sila sa office, nandun sila sa side table ko, nagre-review, nakikinig ako sa kanila habang ginagawa ko yung trabaho ko.
Talagang
So,
multitasking
ang
as a
galing,
mom.
kasi kahit papano, kahit during work, tapos habang nag-aaral yung mga bata, kahit papano, yun na yung bonding din
Yun
nila.
nga.
At
And
the
it's
same
good
time.
that they're both girls kasi yung mga algebra nakalimutan ko na eh. Hindi ko na alam kung tutor ko na yun. The brains from my wife,
Wow.
but the looks from me.
Yeah.
I
Papayag
guess
mo
that's a
ba kayo
good
dun, ma'am?
combination.
Kamukha talaga niya.
Talaga. And the love for food, is it something na they inherited po?
Yes, bonding nyo rin po ba ang
Opo, like, siguro,
pagkain?
like cooking
Oo,
or
oo,
eating?
syempre, all Filipino families bond together through food, 'di ba?
Yes.
Kumakain pa lang tayo, iniisip na natin yung susunod na kakainin natin. Yon. So, yeah, the kids like to eat.
Ma'am Trisha, matanong ko po naman kayo, how is Chef Bambi po as a husband,
Husband.
and a father to your kids po?
Ayan
Husband.
Natatakot na ho.
Madaldal si Bambi. 'Di ba? Daldal ng daldal ng daldal. Minsan I have to tell him, keep quiet. Pero he's very loving, he's very affectionate. As a father, I would say he's the playmate of my children. I'm more the disciplinarian. So, when my kids see me, they know they have to be at attention. Pag nakikita siya siguro, oh, daddy's here. Ganyan, tuwang-tuwa sila.
Kayo naman
It's
po,
like a
sir.
good bad cup, good cup. So ako yung good
It's
cup.
a balance rin po syempre of both of
Yes.
you.
Now,
Kayo naman po, si Miss Trisha po bilang asawa, at syempre, ina po sa mga anak niyo.
we've been together for 10 years before we got married, and we're married now for 15 years. So all in all, we're 25 years.
Wow.
So if I could explain one word, she's my soulmate.
Wow.
As simple as that. Of course, lahat naman nagkakaproblema, no? Especially a lot of youth now, konting yan. But then, for me, there are some things you'll have to give up to move on to something better and higher. So, yung payo ko lang sa mga is, you cannot be yourself and get it all the time. So, as a wife, she's my soulmate.
At syempre, Sandro, nalalapit na nga Valentine's Day. Tanungin natin kung saan sila magdi-date. Saan po kayo magdi-date sa Feb 14?
Alam mo, since we started going out together, hindi kami lumalabas pag Valentine's.
Talaga po?
Kasi the traffic is always bad.
Yes.
Tapos the time nagkakilala kami, pareho kaming nagtatrabaho, no?
Opo.
So magkikita kami 12 midnight na.
Ganun po talaga
Parang
kayo
magmi-midnight
ka-busy.
snack lang kami, tapos uuwi na siya. Tapos nung asawa na kami, palaging traffic pag Valentine. So kakain kami sa bahay, we have dessert outside. Ngayon, ganun
okay.
gagawin. Kakain kami sa bahay, we'll bring the kids out.
And I'm sure naman po
For
siguro
dessert.
pag kahit kumakain kayo sa bahay, talagang yung quality naman ng pagkain.
Oo.
Siguro naman mas masarap pa po sa restaurant since both of you are food lovers.
Oh, at
rin
saka
po.
hindi lang kami, kasama yung mga kapatid niya. We make it a family
It's a
affair.
family affair.
Family.
And now
Yes.
our Valentine's now is at home. Lahat kaming magkapatid ng mama asawa with the children. We just prepare, we don't go out anymore. The traffic
Yes.
is terrible, and it's cheaper and better food in the house.
Yeah.
So that's what we do now for Valentine's. And swerte ako, hindi siya mahilig sa chocolates, hindi siya mahilig sa roses.
Depende.
So, ang laking tipid sa akin.
So, syempre, bigyan niyo naman po kami, kahit bago tayo magtapos, konting kwento niyo po kami ng experience niyo, yung pinaka-unforgettable moment po ninyong mag-asawa.
Siguro, like, sa experience niyo po sa kusina at iba pa, like, siguro traveling or the food.
Okay, well, when I started teaching full-time in CSB, actually the catering was I passed it on to her. But before that, when we were working together, we were always clashing. Kasi I was trained in a hotel and she's a restaurateur, no? So iba yung training. So, no, you don't do that. So yun, sana walang personalan to, no? Pero yun, actually doon. But there are a lot of things, but nothing that can't be solved. We're very active in church. We're Couples for Christ. I'm a lay minister. Is also lector commentator and so that's what makes us now still married, happily married.
Okay.
So maganda yun na sabi ni Sir na syempre bonded sila together. Pag si Christ kasi ang center ng relationship, you will never really go wrong. Kaya naman syempre we don't have enough time. Gusto pa natin tanungin yung love story nila. But then again, Sir or Ma'am, kung sino na lang po, any message po to our viewers, any advice po na pwede niyo pong ibigay, impart sa kanila?
Well, siya yung mas sa akin, so let her talk.
Advice, in this day and age, maraming distractions. So you have to keep praying and you have to be patient. That's it.
Ayan. Thank you so
Maraming
much.
salamat.
Very
Meron
well
po kayong
said.
maliit na token po para sa inyo.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, so
Ayan.
thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po.
I'm always happy to be invited. I think this is the second time we here in this station because I did enjoy Kusina Ate Papa, and thank you. And hello to my friends who I told to watch us. Thank you.
Yung kids niyo po. Hi.
They're in school.
Oh, they're in school. Ayan. Thank you so much po.
Maraming salamat.
You're very welcome.